Good morning, welcome back. Some couple comments were made, like why are you going to the desert in Nevada where it's hot at? And here, and let's see here. So let's see here. It is about 54 degrees this morning. So how cool is it where you're at this morning? I think I timed this pretty well actually. It is getting well into the 80s today. But low humidity and 10 to 15 mile an hour breeze. It's pretty calm right now, but that's what's forecasted, so I think it's great weather. So we've actually been here our third night, and it's been nice up here. I didn't make the connection when we first got here. I've seen some holes dug up here, and I thought, man, there's some kind of critters up here, making a den or something. Now we're on Garnet Hill. Okay. Hang on. So there's a hole there and some digging there, and I seen some other holes, and I thought there's some kind of critters up here. Yeah, they're two-legged critters maybe. I didn't even know what a garnet was until a few weeks back. I'm no, mineral and gem expert. That's not my field, but it's Garnet Hill. Humans are up here digging for garnets. And being in Nevada, I'll bet, it's the silver state, and there's plenty of gold found in Nevada. I'm sure there's more out there to be found. So a lot of people come up here during the day. Well, some vehicles come and go a little bit. Doesn't get too busy, but people will come up and get their buckets out and their sifters and their digging devices and hammers to crack rocks open, and backpacks and water. And they'll go wandering off into trails, and sometimes at a distance you'll hear a little tink, 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 tink. Wait up, Bella. Come on, this way, this way. Ho, ho, ho. So what I didn't see down here the other night when we got here is this lower section. I showed up above the picnic areas and stuff. Well, down below here, there's a couple more that's really nice. So yeah, and there's just trails all through here. They have grill, picnic table, and I think they have these little stands here for cracking your rocks open. You come back with your collection, sit here and crack them open, see what you got. I'm pretty sure that's what those are for. Yeah, there's holes just dug all over the place. Yeah, this spot's a little nicer because it also has a fire pit. Yep, and there's this little stand for cracking rocks open here. And I used to carry a little pickaxe in the Tioga when I had it. It'd be the perfect little digging tool, but I think it's back in the garage in Pennsylvania. I don't think I have it in the bounder. I'll have to see maybe what I do have. Maybe I'll have to try my hand at this and crack a couple things open anyway. Anything good left behind? Come on. No burgers? No burgers fell through there? I think we'll take a little walk up on a hill here and just snoop around a little bit. Maybe we'll get lucky and, find a couple of garnets. Just have dumb beginner's luck. That'd be cool. I did get to talking with some fellas that the same truck's been coming up for a couple of days in a row now. Two older fellas, and they mean business. They got big tools and sledgehammers and pry bars, and they're really going for it. But I talked with them a little bit this morning, and they showed me what to look for was these rocks that have like holes in them. As a matter of fact, I thought I seen just a very, very little spot of shiny in there. Just a speck though. And here's another rock. See that little hole in it? So those are the kind of rocks somehow, and he actually gave me a couple. Let me show you this. Let me turn the camera around this way. So here's one he gave me. Where is it? There it is. Okay. Oh. I don't know how easy that is to see. I'm trying to get it to reflect. But the way they wear, they get flat spots on them, just as like they were cut stone. Maybe that's not the best. There we go. So this one has a couple flat spots on it. Where's the other one? I hope I didn't lose it. Oh, there it is. And they need cleaned up. He says, "Yeah, get a good old toothbrush and soap, and you can scrub them up. They clean up real nice." So just like this other one, that it's in that pocket. That's what to look for. So how you know the stones aren't just laying around out here? Bust one of these open, looking for pockets. That's a lot of stone busting. What do you think, Bella? Is there one in this one? Here, can you smell one? Is there one in there? No? That's not a good one? Find the right one. Yeah, I looked in the RV and I didn't find any good digging tools. I didn't find any digging tools. Maybe a fork. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa! And I think I have a small ball peen hammer. I think I have a hand sledge somewhere too. I could really bust up. Wow, I could do some busting up. This one has a little pocket in it. A couple little pockets. Like those guys were saying, I've talked to. They've been at this a long time. Every so often they'll set a couple of days aside and they'll come up and really get to it. And he says, it's a lot of work. It takes time. It's a lot of digging. It's a lot of busting. So maybe I'll get lucky and find my own wee little piece as a souvenir. Or not. He gave me those couple of pieces, so I still have a souvenir. I should probably try to fly the drone today. I hardly ever fly it. Last time it didn't cooperate. We're going to give it a try here. Just see what kind of hill we're really on. Okay. Okay, I'm pretty sure. Hang on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure people were, while they're digging for these things, probably also keeping their eye out for, get lucky, maybe they'll find gold or silver too. I'm sure garnets isn't the only reason people dig. All I could find was my little ball peen hammer. Oh, that's not too hard to crack. And there's a little gap right there. That wasn't too hard to crack. And look, there's a little shiny spot in there too. That counts. I found a garnet. Well, like anything, it helps to have the right tools. This can get old really fast without the right stuff. Even then, it's going to be work. But yeah, I found a lot of just little sparklies, just very tiny, tiny, tiny ones in there. We need a big one. We need a big one. Okay, it'll probably be asked what kind of drone I have. So it is a DJI Phantom 4. I think it was the first model they came out with. There are more advanced models out these days, but it's still a great drone. It has front sensors, so it's to avoid crashes. I think the newer ones have additional sensors and some other features, but that's my Phantom 4. In the controller, I use a 8-inch NVIDIA Shield tablet because I like a nice view, see where I'm going better. That's what I fly. I didn't even see this guy here. I wonder if he's camera shy. Huh? Are you camera shy? Huh? Are you camera shy? Probably total length of 5 inches with that tail. Huh? You're not camera shy, are you? Which is maybe a little bit. I'm gonna scurry off. It's been a while since I flew the drone. I almost forgot certain times of day you have to watch which way you fly so that the sun's not hitting it. The propeller's a certain way that makes the screen flicker. So I hope I edited all that part out. If there's a little bit, that's why. Yeah, I think I need to get down off this hill. 3 nights. It's day 4. I need some freedom. I'm suffering from the downfall of not traveling with a group. You know, when you're in a group and you have a campsite, usually there's always somebody in camp, and if you want to leave for a while, you know, you can do so freely and not have to worry about your stuff. You know, we're way up here on the mountain. People come and go different times of day, and I don't know. I'm not gonna leave the rig unattended without, I don't know. So I might go down into Ely, Nevada, and to a campground, get a spot for a few days or so, and I'll be plugged in. I could leave. I could take the motorcycle and go on a day trip and not have to worry about the bounder or Bella. I can close it all up tight and just put an air conditioner on and be all locked up and secured. Not have to worry about her or my things. So, yeah, so we've just been up here and nowhere else since we got here. So if I get down there and get a campground, I can maybe take off and go do some things. So it's time to get down off this hill. I hope you enjoyed this place and the flying a drone. I'm going to try to start getting that out a little bit more often. It's fun and provides great views. Guess I'll wrap the video up here. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.